Good evening. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of my new Apple Watch. I got the Series 745mm in green with the Clover Sport band. I ordered it on Apple Malaysia's website on the 13th of November, and today's the 6th of December and the watch finally arrived. This is the box that it came in, and apart from the watch, I also did get an extra set of charging dock thing as well as the charger head for the watch. So let's put this aside and open up the watch. There's a tab right here that you pull. Okay, so let's open up the box. And right on top we have the watch itself. Put this one aside. There's nothing else inside here. And let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front it says Apple Watch. Nothing on the sides. Nothing on the bottom and the top. And on the back it just tells you the model, what's inside the box, the barcode and whatnot. So to open up this box, you pull these two tabs. Right. And then we have two more boxes. And it's a very nice looking packaging. Put this one aside. Okay, so first one, I believe it should contain the watch as well as the charger. And the second one, we have the strap. So let's do this one first. As you can see, that's a picture of the watch. And on the back, you have the what you call this, the model and whatnot. You have two tabs on each side to pull. Okay, so now that the tabs are pulled out, let's open this box up. Okay, right here. Designed by Apple in California, and we should have the standard paperwork, which includes sort of like a quick start guide in another language and safety and handling. And right in here we have the charger. And right here we have the watch itself. Let's put this aside and open this one up. You have one tab right here to pull. Okay, so the tab is open. Let's open up this and it says Apple Watch, and here we have more paperwork. This one is instructions and safety and whatnot in multiple languages. And here we have instructions on how to put on the strap. Flip it once more and we have the straps itself. You have the medium to large strap right here and the small and medium strap right here. Okay, so it should just pop out like this. and I'll keep that in there. Okay, so let's pop this out of the case thing. I broke it. And I've already accidentally turned it on. Okay, so it says bring iPhone near Apple Watch. I have my iPhone right here. Unlock it. And Apple Watch. Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Continue. Set up for myself. Position Apple Watch in the frame. And it's already paired. Set up Apple Watch. Wrist preference, I wear it on the right. Continue. Digital crown orientation, I will do top. Continue. Terms and conditions, agree. Okay. Workout route tracking. Okay, enable route tracking. Dictation. Okay. Don't use dictation for now. Shared settings. Okay. Bold text and size. Yeah, this should be fine. Continue. Apple Watch passcode. Okay, so let me just enter the passcode. Okay, I have entered the passcode. Now it's activity. I guess. Alright. Okay. 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 Install updates manually. Heart rate notifications. Okay. Continue. Emergency SOS. Okay. Continue. Always on display. Continue. Install available apps. Okay. Install all. App view. I will do list view. Okay. Continue. Apple Watch is syncing. And now it is syncing. Okay, so while my watch is syncing to my phone, let's just pop the bands on to see how it will look. So it should just pop in like this. Okay, and this should just go in like that. Okay, so the syncing is now complete. It says welcome to Apple Watch. My Watch, Face Gallery, Apple Watch apps. Okay. And here you can look at your notifications, app view, dock, and set all the settings. Okay, so now let's unbox this one. Okay, so inside that package we have the charger and an additional charging dock for the watch. So let's do this one first. It's the USB-C 20 watt power adapter, charger if you will. Pull the tab, paperwork, and the charger itself, which should just open up like this, and we have the flip up prongs. Next, it's the Apple Watch magnetic fast charger to USB-C with a 1 meter cable. Again, pull the tab, paperwork, and the charger itself. And there we have the charger, the dock on one end, and the USB-C connector on the other end. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new Apple Watch Series 7 45mm in green with the Clover Sport band. Thanks for watching and goodbye.